You probably know by now what detoxification is and the ways that it can be done. A detox diet provides the simplest way to detoxifying yourself. A rule of thumb in detox diets: the more fiber and water, the better. Eat lots of vegetables and fruits, beans and nuts. On the other hand, steer clear of caffeine, carbonated drinks, sugars like chocolates, alcohol and yeast. Dr. Kiki Sadwa recommends going on a monotrophic diet after a 3-day fast. By monotrophic, we mean eating only one type of fruit for every meal. Example, for breakfast, you can eat apple. For lunch, try out oranges or pineapples. Eat until your hunger is satisfied. You can squeeze in a grapefruit juice at around 4 p.m. for your snack. And in the evening, eat only apples, pears, grapes or bananas. Of course, this is just one of those do-it-yourself diet plans that you can take on when you're on a detox program. For most people, however, detox recipes are the best way to go. These detox recipes are especially designed to provide you with the necessary nutrient in the body and at the same time, providing you with the necessary antioxidants and substances that will cleanse your body from toxins. For more fluid intake, you can try ginger healing tea with turmeric. What you need are the following: 2 cups of water, 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and lemon extract. To make your special healing tea, add powdered herbs to boiling water and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug and add maple syrup and lemon extract. Stir and voila, you can start drinking. For breakfast, you can try the vegetable super juice. This juice gives you the needed energy boost for your senses, wakens your digestive system and can keep you going until lunchtime. For starters, you need 1 whole cucumber, 4 celery sticks, 2 to 4 handfuls of spinach, 8 lettuce leaves. You can also add other green vegetables like parsley and fresh alfalfa sprouts. The process is easy and simple: juice all ingredients and add distilled water. You can also add lemon juice for better taste. And now for lunch, try the alkalizing raw soup. All you need are 1 avocado, 2 spring onions, 1/2 red or green pepper, 1 cucumber, 2 handfuls of spinach, 1/2 clove of garlic, 100 milliliters of light vegetable bouillon, lemon or lime juice and Bragg liquid aminos for added taste. Just like our vegetable juice, the recipe is simple and easy to do. Blend the avocado and stock to form a light paste. Add other ingredients and blend. And then you can start eating. Our dinner treat is warm broccoli soup. All you need is 1/2 avocado, 6 to 8 broccoli heads, 1/3 red onion, 1 celery stick, a big handful of spinach, inch of root ginger, cumin and Bragg liquid amino for added taste. Lightly steam the broccoli for 5 to 6 minutes. After steaming, blend all the ingredients together and add garlic and pepper to taste. This is perfect for a cold winter night. Feeling hungry still? These recipes are just few of the 100 other detox recipes available on the net. The key here is to pack yourself with enough water and nutrients to keep you going without ingesting a plateful of additives, sugars and food preservatives. So what are you waiting for? Start eating healthy.